Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today CATIA lecture 8 discuss here. Today discuss here a line command, and today we are going to see and use line command, and CATIA lecture 8 discuss here. So let's see what are the line command in use in CATIA, how to easily use in CATIA. And at first open a software, CATIA software, and you can see here line command is explain all this point deeply and clearly. Okay, this is a CATIA interface. Okay, this is a line. Okay, this is a line command, and this drag here. Okay, and this is a simple line. Okay, click and drag a line. Okay, and double click here, select a line. Okay, this point. Okay, this point. Okay, or this point. Okay, and double click. Okay, and select this line. Okay, next line is a infinite line. You can see here infinite line is discussed here. Infinite line, click, then three point is pop up. First is horizontal, second is vertical, and third is line through 2 points. 3 points, first is vertical line, horizontal line, second is vertical line, and third is line through 2 points. You can see here we will learn 3 point one by one. Okay, and at first select a horizontal line. Horizontal line means this is a, you can see here first, and double click. Okay, first, second. Okay, double click this line, and this is a horizontal line, and again click a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Okay, and this is a line through 2 points. The select first point and select third point. This is a infinite line draw here, but 2 point is connected, and second this point and this point is a, okay, this point and this point is a, okay, this is a line through 2 point. Okay, and this, okay, delete here this point, click and control. Okay, delete. Okay, and this line is a select and control, and double select and again select and right click and delete. Okay, delete, and 2 line is again delete. Okay, this is a third point is a by tangent line. Okay, by tangent line means 2 line is select and generate a third line. Okay, this point is a line, create a new line. Okay, this point and this point select. Okay, this point and this point okay, and this is okay, line is generated. And again 2 point is this line and this line is okay. As tangency is not relevant with a point, a line, only coincident has been taken into account. Okay, select a to first, second, okay, but a coincident point is generated here. First is coincident, second is coincident. Again 2 point first and second is drag here. Okay, okay. Next line is a bisecting line. Bisecting lines means a two line select and create a between two, generated a new line is between two line. First line select and second line select, bisecting. Third line is generated here. Two lines select and bisect each other. Okay, this line is first line and select second line, bisecting between two line. Okay, this is a generated line is a bisecting between two line. Again first line and second line in between bisecting a. Okay, next point is a line normal to curve. Okay, first line and select a normal to curve. This okay, this is a this is a normal line generated here. Okay, first line, this is a normal line. First line, this is a normal line. Okay, first line, this is a normal line. Select. Okay, okay, all point is complete. Discuss here. Okay, okay, CATIA lecture 8 is line is all point. Discuss here. Next lecture 9 is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.